the power of now of Eckhart Tolle in scientific terms. Eckhart Tolle said that only now exists, that everything that has happened and everything that will happen exists only in now. And the more you tune in this now, the more you tune into consciousness. And being conscious is the biggest power of life. 10 years ago, or even more, I wrote Eckhart Tolle. I wrote him a letter. I said, "Dear Eckhart Tolle, I have scientific explanation of your power of now. I can explain your power in now in scientific terms." But he did not answer. And time is a bridge between spirituality and science, in general physics. The problem is, or let's say better, the situation is that spiritual people which are deeply which have been merged into this eternal now, they don't have interest for scientific explanation. This is the case with the Tolle. He don't care. And the case with scientists, as you can see here on YouTube, all these guys are talking about time, but nobody has idea about what is time. they are talking nonsense. I'm so tired of this nonsense. Everybody is talking. One is talking bigger nonsense than other. And so, life actually put me into this position. I am on both sides. I understand what is time from the point of fundamental physics, and I understand what is time from the point of spirituality. So let's explain now Eckhart Tolle, power of now, in technical terms. What does it mean actually? The power of now means that universal space, this is space in which material universe exists, is time invariant. In the universe, there is no past, there is no future. Changes in the universe run into this time invariant space. Okay. This is point one. The point two is that time is an emergent physical quantity that enters existence, that is serving, that is existing in physics when measured. If there is no measurement, there is no time as duration. Okay. Clocks are mechanisms to measure duration of events. But events on their own have no duration. So there is no proper time of Albert Einstein, there is no coordinate time, there is no cosmological time, there is no arrow of time, all this sort is just a fucking bullshit. And I lost my patience to listen to these videos for last 30 years. They are talking the same nonsense again and again, and they are not tired of this nonsense. And the fourth thing is that we experience this time invariant space as now. This now that you are experiencing, meanwhile seeing this video, is this eternal now. The nows are not following each other, as Penrose say, as all these guys are saying. In technical terms, this means that universal space is time invariant. This is very, very powerful mathematical concept. Okay. Universal space has a shape of Euclidean space. And in Euclidean space, when we have a motion in Euclidean space, when an object is moving in Euclidean space, there is no time there. There is only motion. Motion does not require time. Time as duration of motion enters existence when measured. End of the story. End of the story. And I cannot publish this in a high peer, in a high impact journal. Every journal is every journal with a high impact factor is absolutely denying the model that I developed on time, which is actually perfect, which is actually the model that is not my mind has developed. Okay, this is the model of cosmic intelligence. This is the model of cosmic consciousness. Actually, there is only one consciousness. I am using my mind to build physics. I am as a tool. You understand? My mind is not creating some mental crap. I use my mind only as a tool. This is bijective physics. In fundamental physics, we must apply bijective research methodology. Every, let's say, fundamental entity in physics must be observed. Otherwise, we cannot talk about it as something real, and time was never observed. So this is the case with Eckhart Tolle. And sure, he don't care what I did. But I think it's important what I did. Because his book was very, very popular, was a big success. And bridging his vision into core of physics is also very important. And this is what I did. But nobody gives shit about. Also, I myself, I don't give a shit about. I just make this video because the consciousness is pushing me into this. What will come out, I don't know. And I don't give a shit.